Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com, located in the exclusive, soon to be gated area of Plymouth Avenue, Kingston 6. Sits this 4 bedroom, 5 bathroom, tri-level architectural masterpiece offering 7,000 square feet of functionality with old world charm. Enter from your porte cochère into your entrance foyer. Multiple formal sitting areas, formal dining, musical room, family room, breakfast area, chef's kitchen with oversized island and built-in appliances. You will also enjoy a guest bedroom with ensuite bathrooms on this level. This home features large windows, offering lots of lights and cross ventilation throughout. The upper level features sitting area, sunroom, primary suite with coffee station, loft area, his and hers bathroom units, cabinetry and water closets, large jetted tub, walk-in shower, and walk-in closets. Enjoy your private patio overlooking lush greenery. There are two other bedrooms with ensuite bathrooms, shared patio with great views of the city. The lower level offers countless options for work or play, double enclosed carport, patios, garden areas, service entrance, staff quarters, and space for a pool. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. asking price for this house is US 3.5 million or Jamaican $538.6 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.